Alright, picture this. You just landed overseas and you don't have any internet. You don't have a SIM card. You don't have to pay outrageous fees. Just boom, Wi-Fi for you and your hand. This device is exactly what it does for you. This is the Linkland LA8 eSIM Hotspot, a portable 4G Cat6 device with global eSIM support, 48 hours of battery, and it even serves as a power bank. I've been testing it out on trips, running calls, uploading content, and even using it as a backup internet option at home. Let's break down how this thing actually works, right? Anyone who's traveled abroad knows that getting international service is a pain. Swapping SIMs is annoying. Public Wi-Fi is not really secure. It's sketchy security-wise. And this is for business people, international students, travelers, even digital nomads. You need fast, secure, flexible internet without being tied to a carrier, right? So Linkland LA8, think of it as your personal Wi-Fi bubble that allows you to cross countries, travel the world, and you have the internet in your pocket, right? That's incredible. Technology has become incredibly advanced. So in the box, you get the device and your paperwork. The LA8 itself is compact, matte finish, with a small screen on top showing your signal, battery, and yes, date and time always visible on that little screen. Very convenient. Setup is actually fairly simple. Just power it on, download the Linkland app, scan your QR code, and pick your eSIM data plan. No tiny trays, no fumbling with paper clips. Just turn it on, boom, it's good to go. And here's how it works in real life. You open the Linkland app, go into plans, pick the country or region you're traveling to. For example, here I selected Hong Kong, China. From here, you choose your package. I picked a $2 one, for example. That's gonna give me 7 days of data. And on one tap, confirm purchase, and the eSIM installs right onto the LA8. Within seconds, I was online. No hunting down SIM kiosk, no calling carriers. It's that easy. You don't have to do anything. Like I said before, it's you carrying the internet in your pocket. And here's the part that really stood out for me. For the same amount of data that I purchased, Linkland through Red Tigo was about half the price of AT&T's international add-on and significantly cheaper than T-Mobile's roaming package. So you're not just getting convenience, you're actually saving money on trip after trip. Now for the performance, this runs on LTE Cat6 with carrier aggregation for better stability. Basically, it bonds multiple frequency bands for faster downloads and smoother calls. In my tests, I was pulling solid speeds for video calls, streaming, uploading files, and because it supports 500 plus MVNOs, you're not locked into one provider. I connected my laptop, my camera batteries, even a friend's tablet. It supports up to 16 devices. That's basically an entire travel group or small office running off one hotspot. And the battery life is wild. This thing packs 10,000 milliamp, which gets you around 48 hours of running time. That's 2 days of non-stop use. And if your phone's dying, the LA8 doubles as a power bank. It does two-way fast charging, 18 watts and 22.5 watts out, so you can top off your phone or tablet in a pinch. And compatibility, the LA8 supports a ton of 4G bands, both FDD LTE and TDD LTE, which means it plays nice with major US carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile. More importantly, it works in over 180 plus countries, Europe, Asia, the Americas. Basically, wherever you land, you've got options. And since it's not tied to one SIM, you can switch providers freely in seconds through the app. That flexibility is huge, let me tell you. So, who's this for? If you're a business traveler running video calls from airports, if you're a student studying abroad, bouncing between countries, or if you're just a traveler who just wants safe Wi-Fi for maps, posting, and streaming on the go, Linkland is your go-to, man. The Linkland LA8 gotta be your go-to. For me, it came in clutch at coffee shops with no Wi-Fi or some sketchy Wi-Fi service. I just connected the LA8 and boom, I had Wi-Fi instantly. And the connection was stable enough for me to do what I needed to do, like answering my emails, downloading music, streaming videos. It's crazy. So to wrap it up, the Linkland LA8 gives you secure global internet, long battery life, flexible with eSIM and nano SIM, internet hotspot for up to 16 devices, and it even doubles as a power bank. This thing solves real problems like roaming costs, unsafe Wi-Fi, and SIM swapping headaches, all in one small package. If you're constantly on the move, whether it's work, study, or travel, this might be your ultimate travel companion. I'll drop the links in the description for you guys to grab your Linkland today. Until then, I'll see you next time, folks.